which is fake, and other evils. Mr. Speaker, my second one would be to request, if it is possible, not to have ghost workers in this nation. When I hear of a position like Prime Cabinet Minister, unconstitutional, I would declare that he is a ghost worker, drawing salary from Kenyan taxes. Unconstitutional offices should not be funded by public funds. To curb corruption, Mr. Speaker, is my third proposal. Let us be truthful. Let us be truthful. Let the government be truthful and stop those who are corrupt. Let us see serious action taken. People put to jail. When prominent people are put behind the bars, then people will fear, others will fear to practice corruption or to do corruption. Mr. Speaker, I would request, is it possible in this country, and I know I have lawyers in this house, to have designated areas for picketing? Because issues will be happening in this nation. And constitutionally, Kenyans are allowed to picket and to demonstrate peacefully. Can we have designated areas where people can picket? It has been done elsewhere. Can it be done in Kenya, Mr. Speaker? I would also request, is it possible because of police brutality to have retraining of our police officers to know how to handle demonstrators, especially peaceful people who are demonstrating peacefully, like the Gen Z was doing, only armed with a bottle of water, a flag, and their phones? Why should they be killed? Mr. Speaker, if not to retrain our officers, can we have a special unit to deal with maandamano in this nation so that we don't witness bloodshed? Mr. Speaker, if the president, to me and to what we are saying, let him sack the Inspector General of Police. Or if Koome is patriotic enough, let him resign now.
Senator Beth Siango, just hold. Can you pause her time, please? Is there a senator listening to some video through their phone? Senator Boni, you're totally out of order. Totally out of order. I'll just give you a caution for the day. Proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Before I was interrupted by the majority whip, Senator Mboni Alwale, I was saying that if Koome is patriotic enough, he should resign today because he has failed this nation. Mr. Speaker, my other proposal would be respectively asking the president to continue listening to Kenyans. It is important to listen and not to display tendencies of dictatorship or arrogance. Kenyans are watching.